In this video, I show you how to earn money by just reading scripts, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find that out. This is how to earn money reading scripts. But before we get into it, if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing to our channel with notifications. It's free and you can always change your mind later if you don't like it. And that way, I will notify you every single day because we post videos every single day. And then you can use that to make the most money. So enjoy today's video. Today I will be teaching you how to make $100 over and over again and make it up to $1,000 by just reading scripts online. Now you might be asking yourself why you should watch this video, right? Well, first of all, this method which I will be teaching you today is 100% free, and not only that, it is available worldwide. So no matter where you are watching this video from, you can actually do this. Secondly, you can start earning money right away after watching this video because I will be teaching you a step-by-step tutorial on how to do it. And finally, you will see how much you can earn and how easy this method is. You're very fortunate that you're watching this video right now because you didn't miss out on this huge opportunity. But before we start, comment down below and tell me which country are you guys watching from because I'm really interested in knowing where you guys are coming from. So drop your country's name in the comments down below, and don't forget I have a special bonus for you at the end of the video, so make sure to stick around until then. Now let's get right into the video. Now before I teach you the steps, I want you to take a look at this. These are your possible earnings on this website. And I am very excited to share this because they will pay you decent money by just reading scripts. And as you can see, you can earn up to $249 with just 0 to 2 minutes of work. You can even earn over $1,000 with just 30 to 45 minutes of work. So stay tuned and watch until the end, because I'll show you exactly how it works, and make sure not to skip any part of this video so that you don't miss out on important details. Before we proceed, I want you to listen very closely and pay 100% attention. A lot of people do not earn money because they do this the wrong way. So I want you to listen up and follow my steps so that you can earn money, and you may even earn double of what I'm showing you. So first of all, I want you to go to this website called voices.com. Once you land on this website, this is exactly how it will look like. As you can see, the voices here are used by the world's most trusted brands such as Shopify, Microsoft, the History Channel, Discovery Channel, Los Angeles Times, Bell, GoDaddy, Cisco, Hulu, and so many more. So that just proves that this website is legit. This website pays people every single day, so you will receive your earnings through PayPal, check, or even bank transfer. There are also other payout methods, so you don't have to worry about that. Basically, on this website, there will be a lot of different categories and different projects which will be available for you. I will also be teaching you which category you should choose in just a moment, which will give you the most amount of money. And also you can select a whole list of different projects, and once you select a project, they will give you a script or a template that contains all of the words which you will read. Then you just have to record your voice and they're going to pay you depending on how long the project is. You can do it for less than 2 minutes, or for 15 minutes, or even for 45 minutes. That all depends on the project. What I love about this website is that they have unlimited opportunities for us. There are a lot of categories here, and there are new job postings every single day, so you don't have to worry about anything. If there's a project that requires 5 minutes of voiceover, then all you have to do is take less than 10 minutes of work a day, and that's it. You're going to earn money over and over again. So if you have nothing to do at home, or you have a lot of time on your hands, then the earnings are boundless here. Whether it be short voiceover or an hour-long voiceover. Now you might be asking yourself, what if I don't have a microphone? How am I supposed to do this? Well, you don't need a professional condenser microphone. You can use your mobile phone's microphone, or you can use your earphones which have a microphone, so you can use your Android phones or even your iOS devices for this. The best part is that you don't have to show your face for this, and you don't have to reveal your identity at all. They only need your voice for their projects. You don't even have to write anything. All you have to do is just speak and read the script. which they will be providing. So that's all you need. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying the video so far, in which I've put a lot of time and effort to actually make, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Now let's carry on. So the first step of this tutorial is to actually sign up for a free account with Voices.com. To do so, you need to hover your mouse here on the upper right hand corner and click on this sign up button. And that's going to take you to this page where they will be asking you what you are looking to do. There are two options here: hire talent for your project or find work as a talent. Obviously, you have to select find work as a talent, then you will be redirected here where you will enter your full name and email address and create a password. After that, you have to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and then just click on continue. But if you want an easy way of signing up, you can just do it with Google. So after signing up for a free account, this is what your dashboard will look like. You will see here a lot of different industries which you can choose from. So here you have advertising, animation, broadcasting, consumer brands, education, financial service, gaming, and so many more. So I will be showing you which category will give you the most amount of money, which job is suitable for beginners, and which works in most countries from India, the Philippines, the US, Indonesia, Nigeria, Malaysia, South Africa, Australia, Canada, the UK, and so many other countries. Now, the categories that will give you the most amount of money are education, advertising, and most especially gaming. So I want you to focus on education, advertising, and gaming because these are the top 3 categories that have the most amount of jobs. And at the same time, they'll pay you the most amount of money with the least amount of work. So for example, you choose education. As you can see right here, there are a lot of different voice actors. There are male and female voice actors right here who are working with Voices.com, and they are getting paid every single time someone hires them to do a voiceover. So I know that you guys who are still watching this video come from different parts of the world and speak different languages. So what I like to do about this is that you can see here on the left hand corner, there's the language option. So you have here English, Indonesian, Arabic, Portuguese, Spanish, French, Hindi, Filipino, and so many more languages. So you don't have to worry because there are a lot of options here. You can pick whatever you like and earn money by just reading those scripts. If you want to make more money, you should select jobs that are over 45 minutes long, so you can earn over $1,000 whenever you do a project. Then, once you sign up and set up your account, you can then come over here to your available jobs, and you will find different jobs here which are hiring right now, and they are paying over $200. And as you can see, there are a lot of jobs and a lot of opportunities waiting for you here. Now, let me show you a sample script for podcasting, which is also one of the top paying categories here. So they will be providing you with a script just like this one. So you can see the name of the client here, the voice actor's age, which they are looking for, the gender, and the job description right here. So all the information can be found in here. In fact, when you scroll down, you can see what category it belongs to, what industry, what style, the language, the accent they want, and the word count. So they have a 60-second podcast intro script right here. They also have a 30-second and a 15-second podcast intro script below. So these are just examples because I want to show you what it looks like if you're going to be hired. Voices.com has a mobile app that you can download and install straight into your mobile phone. So even if you're just laying down or doing whatever you like, you can do this because this is available both in the Google Play Store and in the Apple App Store. So all you have to do is just read the provided script, and that's it. You're going to make money by just reading scripts, and that wraps up exactly how you can earn money reading scripts. And thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to drop a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our daily video uploads. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.